The University of Pennsylvania has to turn over a list of members of the school's Jewish community to the federal government. That's what a federal judge in Philadelphia just ruled in a major decision. You see, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, or the EEOC, has been investigating whether the Ivy League school has had a hostile work environment for Jewish employees. Penn denies that. Well, in order to find out, the EEOC subpoenaed the school in order to find names, phone numbers, mailing addresses of members of Penn's Jewish community. Now, the goal, according to the EEOC, is to find witnesses or other Jewish people who may have experienced anti-Semitism on campus, but we spoke to a lot of members of the Jewish community on Penn's campus who said they were very, very uncomfortable with all of this.
It is important to understand the resonance of collecting names and personal information of Jews and identifying them as Jews and having the government collect that information. It's very concerning to me as someone who is Jewish, and it's concerning to me as a member of the university community.
Every minority group on campus, and frankly, every minority group in the country, be that religious, ethnic, cultural, national origin, every minority group should feel invested in the protection of other minority groups. It's a slippery slope. Giving too much power to the government can lead to future governments or bad actors using that information.
But the judge in this case ultimately ruled that the EEOC had a valid reason to try and seek this information, and the judge dismissed any privacy, constitutional, or historical concerns. The EEOC, for its part, declined to comment for the story, just pointing us towards the judge's ruling. But Penn told me today they maintain that asking them to create such Jewish lists raises serious privacy and First Amendment concerns. They tell me they intend to appeal this decision.